Mother always does something when Dad is away. She plans everything carefully. So I need to be ready. I need to be where she does not expect me. I just need one moment. One real moment. And then everyone will see the truth.
Diana. I need to talk to you about Maya.
What about her?
Her teacher called me today. She said Maya has been very quiet at school. Withdrawn. Not talking to anyone. She is worried about her.
Well, that is Maya's personality. She has always been like that.
Has she? Or is something happening at home that is making her like this?
What are you trying to say, James?
I am not trying to say anything. I just, sometimes, I look at Maya and I feel like something is wrong. She used to laugh. She used to run to me at the door. Now she barely looks at me.
James. That girl has been causing problems since I arrived. The bracelet. The vase. The lying. I have been very patient. And now you are sitting here questioning me?
I am not questioning you. I just...
No. I want to say something. I gave up my life to come here. I am trying every day to make this family work. And Maya makes it impossible. Every single day.
She is just a child, Diana.
She is a child who lies. Who breaks things. Who blames my daughter for everything. James, if you cannot see that, then maybe the problem is not Maya. Maybe the problem is you.
Hey Maya, look what I found.
Claire. Put that down. That belongs to Dad. It was Mom's. Please be careful with it.
Relax. I'm just looking at it. Why is it so special anyway?
It was the last gift my mother gave my father. Before she died. Please. Put it back.
Your mother, Sophie. The one who left you all that money.
What did you say?
Nothing. I just heard Dad mention her name once.
Claire. You know about the inheritance. Don't you? I heard Diana on the phone. I heard everything. Claire. No. Please. Don't.
What? What happened? Sophie's figurine.
Dad, I'm so sorry. I tried to stop her. Maya was holding it. And I told her to be careful, but she dropped it. I tried to catch it, but I couldn't.
That is not what happened.
This was the last thing Sophie ever gave me. The very last thing.
Dad. Dad. Please look at me. Claire was holding it. She dropped it on purpose. I tried to stop her. I reached out my hand. You have to believe me.
Maya.
Dad.
I said enough. Go to your room, Maya. I cannot look at you right now.
James. I have been telling you for weeks. This is getting worse. I do not know what to do anymore.
I know. I know.
That figurine was irreplaceable. And she stood there and lied again. Right to your face.
What do you think we should do?
James. I think, maybe Maya needs a change of environment. My sister runs a boarding school. 2 hours from here. It is a good school. Strict but good. It might be exactly what Maya needs.
A boarding school.
Just think about it. It is not a punishment. It is structure. Discipline. She would come home for holidays. But during the week she would have routine. Teachers who can handle her.
She is 10 years old, Diana.
And she is already breaking things. And lying constantly. James, what happens when she is 15? Or 18?
No. I cannot let that happen. I have to do something. Now. Before it is too late. I have it. I have the proof.
Dad, I need to tell you something. I did not want to say this before, but I'm worried about Maya.
What do you mean?
I think Maya is very unhappy. And I think she is doing these things on purpose to get attention because she misses her mother. I feel sorry for her, Dad. I really do.
You think she is acting out? Because of Sophie.
I think she needs help. Real help. Maybe Diana is right about the boarding school. Maybe it would actually help Maya. Give her structure. Give her a fresh start.
Dad. I need to show you something. Right now. Please.
Maya, this is not a good time.
Dad. Please. Just watch this. That is all I am asking. Just watch it.